Some people want more from life. More freedom to choose. More space for life's pleasures. More freshness to enjoy. More flavors to aspire. More sweetness to desire. More delights to discover. More taste to relish. Introducing the new and bigger Higher Twin Inverter Plus. Featuring twin inverter technology, twin turbofans, ASPE sterilization, and HCS freshness technology that keeps food 2 times fresher. Digital control system with 4 sensors in less than 1 unit a day energy consumption. Higher Twin Inverter Plus. Real freshness leader. Higher. Inspired living.